Alright, so I'm recording this intro the next day when I go and hit back and by. But in this video, it's a lot of just squat and leg press from me and one of my buddies. He recently just had an ACL surgery. We both have gotten an ACL surgery, so working into getting back into squat, trying to squat more, getting form down. So yeah, that's what this video will be mostly about. A lot of it might be cut up near the leg press. Don't want to get copyrighted, so that's why a little bit of it is cut up. All the other parts that I have put in it, I think, kind of cut that out. So hoping I don't get copyrighted. I'm waiting on new mics, actual portable mics and stuff, attachment ones that'll deafen out the background noise. But for right now, this is what I've got. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm feeling good for a back and by pump. I've got Rise pre-workout right here. I may end up drinking like a C-bum, something else, help the pump go. Sometimes I double stack pre, so just all depends on how I'm feeling on the day. Yeah, it's about 2 o'clock, so go get a good lift in, record some of it. My gym plays a lot of music in the background, so that's why I'm waiting on these mics. Definitely a big thing I need, and hope you guys enjoy. If I can get this shit. Just know, like, if you get into a good mood of fucking hitting legs and then you stop, it's gonna be a bitch to restart.
This is good bad, bro.
Looks good. I don't know, even this, like, I get uncomfortable.
1 in 5.
I don't know, the other day I thought I was gonna be able to hit 2 plates. Fuck that. Fuck that.
That hurt?
Oh, it just, I end up using my back. I like, you know how when you squat, people dip at the bottom? I dip and it hurts my back. the back of it.
Oh, dude, that other shit was lightweight. Like, all of it's lightweight. Like, my knee, like, it's just, like, in my head, too, when I'm moving, I'm like, dude, this shit's light.
It's foreign.
I'm like, fuck, man. It's just my left knee can't push it as much as it used to.
No, yeah.
I miss it too bad, because I used to have fucking huge-ass legs, too. And then my shit torn.
Well, that's
my
right.
right
It's like my whole left leg is probably an inch smaller than my right. It's just,
You know, when we did my measurements, I was 1.25 inches down here. This was like only 1/2 inch smaller than this. This was like 1.25 inches. It's the lower part of my knee or my quad that hasn't grown.
yeah, that's hard. It's definitely fucking hard.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Get those heels straight too. Yeah. And that's the thing is like after that surgery you'll have a wider base.
Oh
It'll be
yeah,
more
buddy, it's
comfortable.
fucking light.
Hell yeah. Beautiful.
That's all I wanted.
That's good.
It is good, because I was hyperextending -7 or maybe 7 degrees, which is good.
Yeah.
And then now I couldn't even get it to probably -1. But like now that I've loosened it up and I'm using it, it's starting to go like that again. Which is nice. I went with a good bit more on the right than I left right now. Just because I can tell I'm favoring it a little bit. Let's just put the donkey in back there. Yeah, what? I still don't think it'll. This is a better one. I'm trying to find the one I want.
go. Well, yeah.
Fantastic. They care for you about winning, right?
Huh?
I said they care for you about winning, right?
Dude, my fucking butt ass, nigga. Here's the overall physique.